How to enable live wallpaper on iPhone running on iOS 26. Tap on the settings button. Now scroll up until you get to wallpaper on your device. Tap on it. Now that I've tapped on that, you have different options here. I mean the correct wallpaper. Go ahead and tap on new wallpaper. Now you have a lot of options here. Photo, shovel, emoji, all these. So go ahead and click on this button that says photo shovel. Tap on it. Once tap on it, you have something like this. You have to manually select any of these. So I will tap from, you can tap from choose photo manually or choose from album. So I want to pick from album. Then here you have these options. So I want to pick from this particular place. Let me pick this one. Just wait for it guys to come up. Now it has come up like this. Then tap on this button to preview what you have here. You can tap on these three dots and see the depth of how it comes hourly, unlock, tap. So you can choose any of these. Now tap on this button to add this. Once tap on that button, it comes up like this. Then you have to select how to use it as wallpaper or customize home screen. So I'll go for this one. Now that you've tapped on that, it comes up like this. That's all guys. Be able to add this to your phone. So let's tap on it and see the setting we just added. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.